Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti, independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the United States. And I wanted to go ahead and show you what I'm going to make using mini glue dots and then the enamel effects basics. We've got it black, white, and real red. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take my mini glue dots and we are going to make adhesive backed, oh, there we go. I had to find where these were. We're going to make some adhesive backed dots. So I'm going to take this, I'm going to tear that off, and then I'm going to take this end. I'm going to tear this off, and because the dots are on that side, I'm going to wrap this back around so that none of the dots come off. And then next, I'm going to take this, and I'm going to hold that there. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my magnet here. It's a magnetized board. And I'm going to hold these down with the magnet. And I'm going to do it on this side as well. If you have maybe some glue dots that are not on a roll and don't roll up on you, that could work best. But I'm looking at all of these little glue pieces, and we're going to get out our Pearlized Enamel Effects Basic in Real Red. And all we're going to do is on that mini glue dot, we're going to put a dot there. And it's going to cover the whole thing. And these kind of self-level. So I have 6 of them. I'm going to do 2 in red. I'm going to do 2 in white. The pearlized white is so lovely. And all I'm doing is I'm squeezing those down, making sure I cover that glue dot. They are beautiful. And then we're going to do the black as well. Now, all of these are pearlized. And I don't know if you could see it or not. I'm going to do it this way. And I'm just putting it down there and getting a nice dollop there. If you get a little bubble, just pop that bubble with the tip. And there you go. And like I said, they are self-leveling, but if you want to give it a little bit of help, you can just do that. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to let those dry, and I will be back. All right, it is the next day. I was going to come back after the movie, but decided that I am just going to wait until today, which doesn't matter to you because you're watching it at the same time. But these are completely dry. And now look at these great dots that I have. Let's go ahead and make a quick card, and I will show you how I use them. So like I said, quick, easy. I'm going to use the Color and Contour stamp set. This is a great card if you just want something nice, fun, quick, and easy. And it has everything you need. So I've got a white base. I've got a cherry cobbler cut just a 1/4 inch smaller. And then I have just a scrap piece of white paper. So we're going to take our memento, just a basic black. This is tuxedo black. I'm going to go ahead and get that all inked up there. Looking good. And we're going to go ahead and pop that right in there. So like I said, this will be quick and easy. You can do whatever you'd like to fluff it up. We're going to leave that as is. I'm going to add that with some tape here. And I'm going to put that just right here. Like that. Then, this actually worked out good because I made a little bit of a mark there with my fingers. But that, because I had it right there, that's why. But that's okay, because I'm actually going to tear this bottom, and I'm tearing it toward me. That way I get that rippled edge on that side. And then when I get to the white, I'm going to, again, ripple that toward me. I'm going to hold the stem because I don't want it to tear past that stem. And there we go. So I purposely didn't put tape on the back toward the bottom of that, because what I want to do is I want to stick this right on here. I'm going to leave room so that we could put this, You're Absolutely Amazing. I'm going to do that in the black as well. And I'm going to line that about where I want so that I know where I can put this. And it'll go right here. Just like that. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to grab some dimensionals because I want it to be popped up a bit. See how quick and easy this card is. I'm going to get my Take Your Pick tool out and put a couple on here. Take the tops off so it allows it to be sticky. I'm going to keep my Take Your Pick tool close because I'm going to need that. And then I'm going to put this right on here. Now let's add these dots. They actually happen to be the perfect color. So we're going to go ahead and take that right off of there. We'll put one there. We'll get the black one. You just lift it right off. We'll put that there. We'll also get a white one. Again, remember these are pearlized. We'll put that right there. And now you have a card. And you've got your embellishments on there. And they're not going anywhere. They're perfectly stuck. And you can make them in advance so you don't have to sit there, put them on, and then hope, after all that hard work on your card, hope that somebody doesn't come by and smush them accidentally. So there we go. And then you have more for another card another time. So I hope you like this tip. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, whether you're a beginning stamper or an advanced stamper, we'll go through in some upcoming videos of all the different tools you'll need, all the different types of stamping, and we're going to get you stamping if you're not yet a stamper. And if you are, I'm going to show you some of these great tips. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!